Oh, hello. I want to show you some doodling. Ay, naku yun. Hindi ka niyan makakaroon. Wait a minute. Yun, hindi ka niyan makakaroon. Okay, I'll show you. Oops. See, it's gone. But I'll show you one. On my face. Ay, yun, samahan mo naman ako. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. But I'll show you this one. This one. Okay. I'll show you some filter. Okay. Hello. Look, my mouth is long. That was just a trick. If you want that kind, just buy a Dell laptop, Dell. Then go to webcam then in the sidebar, then in the bottom, there's just click the color gray circle there, or fine, just click that, then you will have the welcome central. Thank you.